Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to share with you some great plants for a south-facing windowsill. There are lots of houseplants that appreciate the high light conditions that a south-facing window offers, and let's start off with the star cactus. Commonly referred to as a star cactus, Astrophytum have become extremely popular of late. When viewed from above, the characteristic star arrangement is easy to see. Besides its pleasing symmetry, this cactus may also have fine white tufts of hair and spines. The spines are absent in many varieties, such as the very popular myriostigma, making it the ideal cactus for people who don't like prickly spines. This is an easy plant to grow on a south-facing window, which gets at least 6 hours sun a day. Grow in a clay pot with cactus compost and only water when the mix has dried out completely. Avoid watering altogether between September and March. Veltheimia bracteata, or the Cape lily, makes the perfect pot plant for a south-facing window in a cool room. This South African bulb produces glossy leaves with wavy edges and stout purple stems, each bearing a terminal raceme of pink tubular flowers. The tips of the flowers are sometimes green. The Cape lily flowers reliably from February to April, but its leaves make a handsome pot plant even after that. Although the bulb does go dormant in summer, its dormancy is very brief, and this vigorous plant soon returns to growth, making it almost evergreen. Flowers require no staking. Grow in good compost with added horticultural sand, and repot only when congested, ensuring the neck of the bulb is just above the soil surface. Water freely when in growth, applying liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. Cease watering when dormant. The dragon's blood plant, or Dracaena draco, is grown for its foliage. The dragon's blood name comes from the fact that the plant exudes reddish resin from wounds and nicks. The leaves are solidly green with a narrow red edge. This plant is a tree in its native habitat, but will seldom grow to taller than 3 foot indoors. Grow your plant on a south-facing windowsill and allow to dry out between waterings. Pot in a well-drained mix and feed every 6 months with a slow-release fertilizer. Healthy plants will develop a slightly reddish tinge to the leaves. Happy growing!